Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the size of your board on Miro. So once you're in your board, guys, if you would like to change the size of it or the elements, you can easily go ahead and resize it by looking to the lower right. And you will find the zoom that you can zoom in and out to navigate your board pretty easily. So as you can see right here, I can zoom and I can just simply press and just move. Once I left click, I can move around my board just as easy as that. And I can just zoom all the way. So if I want to zoom in real deep, I can go ahead and I can zoom in to see things very, very closely. And yeah, you can always resize. Now towards the left of that, you also have frames. So you can go ahead and you can just use frames and so forth as well. You can create frames. But that's it. That's how you go ahead and basically zoom in and size and resize your board as you wish in Miro. Very easy and very simple.